Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove email ID from your mobile phone. So if you are using multiple email IDs in your mobile phone, so maybe it will be some disturbance for every time you are getting unwanted mails. It's a really uh, some issue will happen from our mobile. It's completely disturbing every time we are getting notifications. So due to that reason I want to remove my one of my mail ID from the mobile phone. So let's do this. First of all, we have to go to settings. So this thing maybe some people know. If you know some idea about this, you can skip this video, no problem. Just if you don't know about how to remove your email ID from your mobile phone, let's this is for you guys. So just go to settings and oh, come to down and users and accounts. We have multiple options here: Naukri, Google, Truecaller, WhatsApp, and you can add here whatever accounts you want. Multiple users we have. So I want to remove my Google account here. So this is trendy speak. This one I want to delete. Yes, all these connects are removed. So here we have two options: sync now and remove account. I want to remove this account. Removing account. Yes, it's gone. Okay. Previously we have five uh, accounts. Now we have only four accounts only. So that's it, guys. It's a very simple thing. Now we are not getting any mail from this that mail. Otherwise, if you want to add again, you can go to settings. We all know that because it's giving options here. So here again, if you want to add account downside, you can see add account option is there. So go and add. It's executing Google account. Yeah, here we go. We need to give some password, and then you can enter the mail ID. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.